please. Okay, good morning. Welcome to our company. Thank you for coming. And how are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well. Thank you.
So, before we start the interview, could you please introduce yourself and tell us a little about your background?
Okay. My name is Astiananta. I graduated from the English Education Program through Jaya University, and I am interested in getting professional experience in a professional environment.
So, could you tell me more about your educational background and what you learned during your studies?
I completed my bachelor's degree in English education. During my studies, I learned about linguistics, teaching methods, and communication skills.
Okay, that sounds interesting. Do you have any previous work experience related to teaching or communication?
Yes, I worked part-time as an English tutor, a language course for about 1 year. I taught basic English and helped students improve their speaking skills.
So, in your opinion, what are your main skills that could help you succeed in this position?
My main skills are communication and teaching skills. I can explain ideas clearly and help others understand English better.
So, what makes you interested in applying for this position in our company?
I want to gain more experience and develop my career in a professional environment.
So, may I ask what your previous salary?
My salary was around 3 million rupiah per month.
Okay, before we finish the interview, do you have any questions about the company or this position?
Yes. Could you explain to us the opportunities for professional development in this company?
Of course, we provide training programs and opportunities to further education for our employees.
That sounds great. Thank you for the explanation.
Okay, thank you for coming today. We will contact you soon about the result.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.